Hi, this is Chris Escato, VP of Sales for Salamander Designs. I'm here at Infocom 25, and we're showcasing one of our 6-inch deep cabinets here. So this is a 6-bay, 6-inch deep cabinet holding two LG 75-inch displays. Now, this cabinet is listed to hold a 400-pound display. If you're just using 4 bays, all you need is drywall toggles. Now, our cabinets are available in 6, 12, 21, and 30 inches of depth. All of them can go from your smallest, like 50-inch display, all the way up to a direct view LED. Now, this being only 6 inches deep, each door hides 2 RUs of vertical racking where you can get in all of your codecs. So instead of storing them behind the display where they're harder to access and wire manage, you can put it right into the cabinet. Now, this cabinet also has one of our executive finishes. So this is a stone top. And we can do stone tops, even leather wrapped doors when working with designers or architects on any of our products, making sure that our products scale from a standard conference room all the way into the C-level suite. If you'd like to know more, go to salamandercommercial.com.